Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Web API in 7 days course. In this lecture, we are going to talk about unit testing ASP.NET Web API controllers. So, we'll be demonstrating how we can create a unit test and how we can run it and what are the requirements for that. So, let's go to Visual Studio and start working on it. So before we can create a unit test, we need to add a test project. For that, we can right click on the Visual Studio solution here on this solution and then say add new project. And here in the project templates, we can select test project template and then we can give a name to it and then say OK. So I need not to say OK because I already have a unit test project here and I have created a unit test for my product controller. Let me call it UT product. Okay. Now, and in this unit test, what I am doing here basically I'm initializing our product controller, this class, which is API controller derived class, and once this is initialized, then I can call this method on the controller and then we can see whether it's returning data or not. So it's quite simple. So let's just go to our unit test here. So in here, then I need to create a controller request object, which is my HTTP request message object. And once then that is ready, then I can load the configuration of the controller, and then so these steps are called basically unit test arrangement. So we are arranging the unit test here. Now we will need to act. So act is what we need to call the get method on product controller, this one. Okay, so we are calling this method and we are taking the response into this response variable, and then we are doing the assert. So in assert, what we are trying to do is we are just saying whether the product ID that is coming is equal to 1 or not. We can add one more assert here, say product name. If the product name coming from there is product 1, then the unit test will pass, otherwise it will fail. Okay, now to run a Visual Studio unit test is you can simply right click on it and then say run test. It's running this unit test. Yeah, the unit test was run and it passed. Okay, and apart from running a unit test, we can actually step by step see how it's going on, and for that we can do debug test. So let's say debug test here, and when I say debug test, the debugger process starts, and then we can step through each and every statement here. So it's creating a product controller object, initializing a message request, setting up the configuration, and then calling the get method. So in this get, in the response which is coming from get method, let us see what's there. Yeah, so we are getting this product information here, and now we have two asserts here. First assert passed, second one also passed. Yeah, unit test passed and executed completely. This way we can create a number of unit tests here in this project, and then we can run and debug those. So we can write unit test for each and every controller method. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next lecture.